Hologram technology is a revolutionary imaging technique that creates three-dimensional representations of objects or scenes using light diffraction unlike traditional 2D images. Holograms provide depth, allowing viewers to perceive the virtual objects as if they were present in the real world. The process involves splitting laser light into two beams. One is directed towards two objects, while the other acts as a reference beam. The beam then interact and create interference pattern on a recording medium, such as a photosensitive film or a digital sensor. When illuminated with coherent light, the hologram constructs the original image, enabling an immersive and realistic visual experience. Holograms have found application in diverse fields, from entertainment and artistic displays to medical imaging and scientific visualization. In recent years, advances in hologram technology have led to more accessible and sophisticated applications, but it's always have a dark side. And today we discuss 7 of the misuses and disadvantages of hologram technology. Number 7. Misinformation and manipulation. Hologram technology has the potential to be used for spreading misinformation and manipulating perceptions. As holograms become more realistic and advanced, it becomes increasingly difficult to distinguish between real and fake. This can lead to the dissemination of false information or the creation of deceptive scenarios. Number 6. Privacy concerns. Hologram technology raises serious privacy concerns. With the ability to project realistic three-dimensional images, there is a potential for unauthorized recording and surveillance. Holograms could be used to capture sensitive information or invade personal spaces without consent. Number 5. Exploitation and fraud. The dark side of hologram technology includes the risk of exploitation and fraud. Holograms can be used to deceive individuals by creating virtual representations of people or organizations, leading to financial scams or identity theft. Criminals could exploit the trust and believability associated with holograms to carry out fraudulent activities. Number 4. Psychological impact. Holograms that are designed to deceive or manipulate can have a negative psychological impact on individuals. People may experience confusion, distrust, or cognitive dissonance when faced with holographic illusions. The realistic nature of holograms could also lead to sensory overload or cause psychological distress or vulnerable individuals. Number 3. Weaponization and threat. The misuse of hologram technology for weaponization or threatening purposes is another dark aspect. Holograms could be employed to create false emergency scenarios, simulate terrorist attacks, or stage military deceptions. Such applications have the potential to induce panic, instigate violence, or disrupt public safety. Number 2. Culture and historical manipulation. Holograms can be used to alter or manipulate cultural and historical narratives. By recreating historical events or iconic figures, holograms could be used to revise history or distort collective memory. This raises ethical concerns regarding the preservation of cultural heritage and the integrity of historical records. Number 1. Addiction and escapism. The immersive and captivating nature of hologram technology can lead to addictive behaviors and escapism. Users may become excessively reliant on holographic experiences, neglecting real-life interactions and responsibilities. This can result in social isolation, detachment from reality, and psychological dependency. It's important to recognize that these dark aspects of hologram technology represent potential risks and ethical challenges. However, they should not overshadow the numerous positive applications of holograms in areas such as entertainment, education, healthcare, and communication. Responsible development and use of hologram technology require careful consideration of these implications to ensure a beneficial and safe integration into society.
Did you enjoy this video? Check out other clips of Amazing 7 and be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified our latest videos.